Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare REST API versus FastAPI. A REST API defines a set of principles for how web services communicate, focusing on statelessness and standard operations like GET and POST. FastAPI, on the other hand, is a high-performance Python framework designed to build APIs that often adhere to these RESTful principles. We'll explore how FastAPI streamlines development while still delivering robust, scalable solutions. When it comes to performance, FastAPI truly shines. Built on Starlet for the web parts and Pydantic for data validation, it's one of the fastest Python frameworks available, often matching or exceeding Node.js and Go. Its native support for asynchronous operations means it can handle many concurrent requests efficiently, leading to significantly better throughput compared to many synchronous REST API implementations. Developer experience is a major win for FastAPI. It automatically generates interactive API documentation using OpenAPI and JSON schema, saving countless hours. With Pydantic, you get excellent data validation and serialization right out of the box, reducing boilerplate code. Its powerful dependency injection system also makes managing application logic and testing much simpler, leading to faster development cycles and fewer bugs. So, when should you choose each? If you're building a new, high-performance API in Python, especially for microservices, machine learning models, or real-time data, FastAPI is an excellent choice due to its speed and developer-friendly features. However, if your project requires extreme language agnosticism or you're integrating with a diverse ecosystem, understanding and implementing the broader REST API principles remains universally valuable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.